Welcome back to PT Engineering. Just a really quick one with R56 Minis. Driving down the road, light road surface, you get a light rattle. Road surface usually just slightly uneven. Around. So if you take, well, you can either take the wheel off. If you actually hit the caliper, you can see. I can hold that steady. Because that's unsprung, it's because the wheel will literally make that rattle, and you'll hear it all the way through the suspension, and you hear the noise in the car. So the fix for that is literally just take these out, pack these full of grease, which just stops that movement. I'll just show you that. So what I've done is taken this bottom bolt out, and if we slide that off, you'll see that is the pin, and in there it should be packed with grease, but for whatever reason there doesn't seem to be a lot of rhyme or reason to it age wise, but usually 2008 to 2012, something like that. I mean, that one's, it's literally, it's that movement in there. So pack these full of grease, build it back up. You don't want to put too much grease in, but literally just keep feeding it in that hole. And then when you put that back in, you'll see it's got some hydraulic effect. And that means that will be packed full of grease, and it just takes that little bit of movement out. So I've packed out the top one, put the bolt back in the bottom, fasten that back up. The noise does get confused with front end anti-roll bar bushes, shockers, anti-roll bar links, all kinds of things, but it's more a light rattling noise. And if you can just touch the brake when you're going over the rough road, and that you hear the noise stop. So if you just touch the brakes very gently when you get on an uneven patch of tarmac and the noise stops, you know that it's potentially related to the caliper moving. Thanks for watching. See you later.